try to see if we can get some old signs. Here's one. Hercules Tires. That's an old porcelain sign. That's a nice one. And there's more up there, obscured by the trees. It's a little rough, but salvageable. Here's the doorway in. Let me just show you a little more of this. That's not too old. Maybe the infrastructure. That's old. That's a nice one. At least $1.50. How old is this? Yeah, this just shows when it was abandoned, maybe. That's all that's good for. This is nice. Fritz Brothers, well drilling, water systems, sales and services. It's a thermometer. Nice thermometer too. (2007). It's very old in there. That's the desk. Repairing tires. Old school. That's a safe. I don't know what that is. It looks like a safe. It's empty. There's another safe. Wow. Whoa. The CIA. It's a book. Nothing really good, you know. If I find a gun or a knife or something historical, I'll let you know. Here's something cool. Mounds. Not too many of those left anymore. Say it's from the 60s or 70s. It's very old in here. It's a time capsule. This desk is very old. What's in this one? Well, that's old. Telephone numbers. They seem to be the new style numbers after 66. That's not very vintage, but still cool. And that's pretty much that was in the drawer, and one more drawer. Some kind of pink, nothing much. That's cool. shell. And these signs here, Jolly Pines. That's old. That's an old Wix. See? That's from the 70s right there. Looks like a Torino. This is very old too. It's got a light there. Look at the plug, how old it is. And many old as anything, judging by this plug. And that's it. It was repaired, had a part replaced on top, but it's all original. And that looks like maybe you sat down there, or I don't know what it's for. Maybe it's for shaping metal. But that's real cool. Alright, well, that's about the gist of the place. Show you the phone. Get a better view of it. Keys. All keys hanging here. Gloves. Sitting on there for who knows how long. More keys here. Strange device right here. What is it? Looks like a CB radio. Yeah, it is. There's the receiver. This looks like it says J.C. Penney. Kind of vintage, that one. So is this. It's got the cap still in it. 50s. 50 years, 60 or 70 years old. This newspaper is from